Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a Gmail address from your Android phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your settings by swiping down the notification bar and you will see a gear icon on the top right corner. Click on it. And now, if you scroll down, you will get another option, Users and Accounts. Click on it. And from here, you have to choose Google. And here, you will see all of the Gmail addresses of your phone. And from here, select the email address that you want to remove from your Android phone. For example, I want to delete this one. So I'm choosing it. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this three-dot vertical line. And from here, choose Remove Account. And finally, choose again Remove Account. And that's it. We have successfully removed that Gmail address from our Android phone. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.